Hello everyone. Today we will talk about Microsoft 365 Copilot Wave 2 announcements. Majorly we will cover three topics: Copilot pages, updates to Copilot in Microsoft 365 apps, and Copilot agents. Let's start with brand new Copilot pages. Copilot pages, a dynamic, persistent canvas designed for multiplayer AI collaboration, makes AI generated content editable and durable, shareable in Teams, Outlook, and M365 apps. Collaborate in real time and iterate prompts in multiplayer approach. Prompt Copilot together as a team to improve response, learn from each other's prompt, and organize complex information. Copilot pages are loop files. Copilot pages are stored in a new user on SharePoint embedded container. Now let's talk about updates to Copilot in Microsoft 365 apps. Copilot in Excel is now generally available. Public preview of Copilot in Excel with Python is available in US now. Copilot can help you highlight important information with formula-based conditional formatting. Copilot not only use formulas and formatting, but explain its actions step by step. It suggests actions, provide necessary steps, and keeps you in control. You can describe and analyze whatever you want, and Copilot will generate and explain Python code for you. This enables powerful analytical and visualization without deep Python knowledge. The analysis can be refreshed when source data updates. Copilot can now analyze text, transform textual data into actionable insights. Narrative Builder in Microsoft PowerPoint helps you quickly create an outline for your presentation, which you can edit and refine. It uses your company's template to keep everything on brand, and you can pull images from SharePoint library. In meetings, two conversations happens: spoken words and chat messages. Copilot in Teams can now analyze both to give you complete summary of the communication. Now with prioritize my inbox, Copilot and Outlook help you focus on important emails based on their content and your role. Soon you also be able to teach Copilot which topic, keywords or people are important, marking those emails as high priority. In addition to Word documents, PowerPoint, PDFs, and encrypted documents, Copilot in Word has more grounding options to reference emails, meetings, colleagues when drafting content. Copilot in OneDrive allows you to quickly find right information, right content by using Copilot to reason, summarize, and compare contents for up to 5 files without even opening the files. Now let's talk about Copilot agents. Copilot agents are AI assistants that help you automate and execute business processes, working seamlessly in the background. They range from simple to advanced. Create a Copilot agent in BizChat or SharePoint using your SharePoint data. Build and share with your colleagues in Team or Outlook. Customize further in Copilot Studio for advanced features. Some of the features are available now, and some of them are coming soon. Thank you.